Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, first semester, integer. We have learned about integers in last year. We know whole numbers and integers. In this class, we are discussing some properties of integers and operations of integers. Before that, we have to understand some basic information about number. Types of numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers, nothing but counting numbers. Counting numbers. This is indicating by alphabet n. Which number we are using to count the objects. That is, we will call natural numbers. This is indicating alphabet n. Example, n 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. These are we will call natural numbers. Second one, whole numbers. Whole numbers, which number including with 0, those numbers we will call whole numbers. Whole numbers indicating by alphabet W. Example, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. These are whole numbers. Third one, integer. Integers, which number including negative numbers and positive numbers, those numbers we will call integers. Integers we indicating by alphabet Z. Example, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. These numbers we will call integers. Fourth one, rational numbers. Which number have numerator and denominator? Those numbers we will call rational numbers. Rational numbers we indicating by alphabet Q. Example, -3/7, 2/8, etc. These numbers we call rational numbers. Last one, real numbers. Real numbers, that is indicating by alphabet or which number have decimal point. Those numbers we will call real numbers. Real numbers indicating by alphabet or. Example, R is equal 1/6, 1.6, next 2, 7. These all we will call real numbers. These are the 5 types of number. These numbers, in these numbers we are discussing integers and some properties of integers and operations of integers in this chapter. Integers, a whole number from 0 to positive or negative infinity is called integers. Example, z is equal -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the integers. See, this is the number line. Integers on number line. How we can represent integers on the number line? Before that, we have to understand the number line. Number line, we see this part which from 0 to right side. This is the positive part. Positive parts of number line. From 0 to -3. This is the negative part of number line. Next, see some facts on the number line. If we add two positive numbers, we will move towards the right side on the number line. Example, I will show how we can add the numbers on the number line. See here, this is the number line. This is the number line. I will be adding here two positive numbers. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. I will be adding these two numbers on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinity. Next, minus 1. See here, first 2. 1, 2. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 5. When we are adding two positive integers, we will move towards the right side on the number line. Second one, if we adding a negative integers on the number line, we will move towards the left side. I will using one example to show how we can add negative numbers on the number line. First one, I am taking here 2 minus 3. Answer is minus 5. See here, this is the number 9. 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 up to infinity. 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. See here, when we are adding negative integers on the number line, see here minus 2, 1, 2. Again minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Our answer is minus 5. When we are adding negative integers on the number line, we are moving towards the left side. Next, when we are adding positive, when we subtracting positive numbers on the number line, I will show by using one example. Third fact, if we subtract the positive integers, we go to the left side. I will show by using one example here. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. When we subtracting on the number line, we are moving towards the left side. See here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, infinity, minus 1, minus 2. See here, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we subtracting 3 by from the 5, we will moving towards the left side. 1, 2, 3. Our answer is 2. See, when we subtracting positive integers, we will moving towards the left side. Next, last one fact on the number lines. If we subtract the negative integers on the number line, we go to the right side. I am using here another example here. Minus 3 minus in the bracket minus 4 is equal to 1. I will show you here by using number line. See here, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 1 2 3 up to infinity. See, first one minus 3 1 2 3. Again minus into minus plus 5. See here, 1 2 3 4 4. This is our answer. Answer is 1. From this example, we are understanding here, when we subtracting the negative integers, we are moving towards the right side. Next, see, in this chapter we are learning about the additive inverse of an integers. Additive inverse means, if I will take, see here, I am explaining by using one example. 5, this is the positive number. If I am taking opposite sign means this is positive number, opposite sign negative 5. 5 is, this is the minus 5 is additive inverse of 5. If I will take minus 5, the opposite sign, that is the plus 5. This is the additive inverse of minus 5. This is the we should understand the additive inverse of an integer mean if we will taking any one positive number, opposite sign, that is the additive inverse of that number. The negative of any number is the additive inverse of that number. The additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. This is the additive inverse of that number, and additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. Next, we are going to solve first exercise, page number 4. See here, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, I am taking here first problem, first part I took here. Page number 4. Following number line shows the temperatures in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. We have to find out here first part. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on the number line. See here, first one I am taking here from the negative side. First one, Lahorspiti. Lahorspiti, temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next I am taking here Srinagar temperature. Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and Shimla here 5 degrees Celsius. OT there is minus 14 degrees Celsius. OT 14 degrees Celsius. Last one, Bangalore, that is the 22 degrees Celsius. These are the temperature at the places on the number line, marked on the number line. Next I am taking here second part of the question. Second part of this question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? See here, we have to see here first which is the hottest and which is the coldest place in this number line. First see here, this is the very hottest place, that is the Bangalore. Temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. And very coldest place is Lahorspiti, that is the Lahorspiti. Temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. We have to do here. We have to find out here difference between these two places. To find out the difference in these two places, see here 22 degrees Celsius minus, to find out the difference between the temperature in these two cities, we have to take here negative sign. See here, minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 22 degrees Celsius, minus into minus plus, and 8 degrees Celsius. Answer is 30 degrees Celsius is the difference between the hottest and the coldest places. Next, I am going to take third part of this question. Next, third part of this question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahorspiti and Srinagar? We have to see here, Lahorspiti temperature is, that is the minus 8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar temperature, that is the minus 2 degrees Celsius. See, first we have to write here Lahorspiti temperature. Temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next, Srinagar temperature, that is the minus 2 degrees Celsius. Srinagar temperature, that is the minus 2 degrees Celsius. We have to find out here difference between these two cities. See here, I am taking here minus 2 degrees Celsius. To find out the difference, we have to take here negative sign. Minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus into minus plus 8 degrees Celsius. See here, answer is 6 degrees Celsius. See, I took here positive sign because there is a big number is here, big number, which sign attached to the big number, we have to take that sign in the answer. This is the 6 degrees Celsius is the difference between the Lahorspiti and Srinagar. in these two places. Next, I am taking here last part of this question. See here, in this question, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? We have to take here Srinagar and Shimla together. These two temperatures, we have to find out the less than the temperature at Shimla, and is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? See here, temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is 2 degree, minus 2 degrees Celsius, and Shimla temperature is, that is the 5 degrees Celsius. When we solving this problem, minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, answer is 3 degrees Celsius. This is the 3 degrees Celsius is the answer. Next part, we have to find out here if we take these two places together, that is less than the temperature at Shimla. We have to find out this one. See, I am taking here this part, less than the temperature at Shimla. We have to see here temperature of the Shimla, how much here? That is the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So this is the this is the less than temperature of these two cities. Therefore, 5 degrees Celsius, this is the Shimla temperature is greater than 3 degrees Celsius. Next, I am taking here second last part of this question. In this question, we have last part, that is is it also less than the temperature at the Srinagar? Srinagar temperature, how much here? Srinagar temperature, that is the minus 2. Our answer is the 3 degrees Celsius. So, see here, therefore, 3 degrees Celsius less than minus 2 degrees Celsius. This is our final answer. Final answer is 3 degrees Celsius smaller than minus 2 degrees Celsius. No, this is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. I am taking here second question in this exercise 1.1. Okay, next question in exercise 1.2. See here, in the quiz competition, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If job scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what value is total at the end of the quiz competition? We have to find out here total score of the jobs. See here, I am solving this problem. This is very easy problem, but we have to understand. See here, we want to find out here total score. So we have to add these all integers. See here, 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15, 10. See here, 25 plus minus plus in the bracket minus 5 plus in the bracket minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. These are the scores of the jobs. See, before that we have to understand this sign multiplication. Plus into plus is equal plus minus into minus is equal plus minus into plus is equal minus minus plus into minus is equal minus. See here, next step, 25 plus into minus minus 5 plus into minus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. We have to add positive numbers only. 25 plus 15, that is the 40. 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 minus 15. 5 plus 10. We have negative numbers, we will get the 15. When we subtracting 15 minus 15, we will get the 35 answer. This is the jobs score at the end of the quiz competition. Next, I will taking here next problem. Okay, dear student, you do third hour in Oman. See, I am taking here fourth one. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, distance means we have to take here negative. See, here a plane flying 5,000 meters above the sea level. This is the sea level. This is the flying above the 5,000 meters. And submarine, that is the floating vertical distance, that is the 1,200 meters in the sea. We have to find out here difference between these two. See, first, a plane flying at the height is 5,000 meters, and a submarine floating below the sea level, that is 1,200 meters minus 1,200 meters. This is taking I am taking as negative numbers. This is taking I am positive. See here, 5,000 meters minus. We have to find out the difference between these two distances. See, I am taking here 500 meters minus 1,200 meters. See here, 5,000 meters minus into minus, how much? What is the minus into minus? Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus plus 1,200 meters. When we adding these two are, see here, I am adding here. When we adding 5,000 meters plus 1,200 meters, we are getting here 6,200 meters. This is the vertical difference between the plane and the submarine, which is floating in the below the sea level. That is the 6,200. Dear student, I am taking again exercise 1.1, question number 5. Question number 5, page number 4. Mohan deposits 2,000 in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 rupees from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. In this question, we have to find out here how much the remaining amount in his bank account. See here, first, before solving the problem, we have to understand the question correctly. See here, Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account. This 2,000 rupees we have to take here positive integers. And next, from his bank account, he withdraws 1,642 rupees from it. We have to take here this amount negative integers. See here, first Mohan deposits total 2,000 rupees, or as 2,000 rupees, and he withdraws the 1,642 rupees. Amount is 1,642 rupees. We have to take this one negative integers. See, when you are doing the subtraction, you will be getting the remaining amount minus 1 and 1642. What we will be getting here? See here, 2042. See here, 8, here 6, 5, 3. See, remaining amount is rupees 358 rupees. To student, see, I am taking here exercise 1.1, sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards the west along the same road. If the distance towards the east is represented by a positive integers, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? By which integer will you represent the final position from the A? See, in the question already given a number line. We have to observe the number line. Before that, we have to understand the question properly. See here, this is the point A. This is the point B. See, Rita goes 20 km from A to B towards the east side. See here, this is the 20 kilometer. We are taking this 20 kilometer as a positive integer. Next, she again moving from B to C 30 kilometer. This position we will be taking the negative integers. This is the negative integers. This is the positive integers. See here, answer, solution. See here, distance from A to B, that is the 20 kilometer distance from B to C. This is the 30 kilometer. This 30 kilometer I am taking as a negative integer. This is the negative integer, this is the positive integer. We have to find out here distance from A to C. 20 minus 30. Final answer is minus 10 kilometer. This is the final position of Rita. Okay, next student I am taking here. Next, seventh one problem. Here, exercise 1.1, question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column, and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is in magic square. See here, first one I am taking here. First magic square. This is the second one. See, first one I am taking here. Solution. Taking rows. First one I am taking here, Dear students, see I am taking here next problem, question number 7, exercise 1.1. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonals have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. See, we have two magic square. I am taking here first magic square. Solution, taking rows. See, this one I am taking 5 minus 1 minus 4. See here, when we adding 5 plus in the bracket minus 1 plus minus 4. When we adding, see here, 5 plus into minus 1 plus into minus 4. When we adding negative integers, we get in here 5 minus 5. Answer is 0. See, next rows I am taking here minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. Second row I am taking here. This is the second row. This is the first row. Second row minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 7. When we add minus 5 plus into minus minus 2 plus 7. When we add negative integers minus 5 minus 2, we are getting here minus 7 plus 7. When you doing subtraction, you are getting here again 0. This is also we are getting here 0. Next I am taking here third row. See, third row I am taking here 3 plus 3 plus in the bracket minus 3. Okay, when we add 3 plus into minus 3, answer is 0. When we are doing subtraction, 3 minus 3 we are getting here 0. In the rows we are getting here 0 and second row also 0, third row also 0. Next I am taking here columns. I am taking here columns. Next I am taking here columns. Taking columns. See, columns 5 minus 5 0. When we add 5 minus in the bracket minus 5 and 0. When we add 5 plus into minus 5, answer is 0. When we doing subtraction, 5 minus 5 we will getting answer is 0. Next second column I am taking second column this one. Minus 1, minus 2, 3. Minus 1 in the plus in the bracket minus 2 and plus. Next I am taking here second column. Minus 1 plus in the bracket minus 2 plus 3. When we add minus 1 plus into minus 2 plus 3. When we add negative integers, we will get minus 3 and plus 3. When we do subtraction, we are getting again here 0. This is the third column. Next I am taking here fourth column. Minus 4, 7, minus 3. See here fourth one. Fourth one is minus 4 plus 7 plus in the bracket minus 3. Okay, next minus 4 plus 7 plus into minus 3. Okay, when we add negative integers, we will get in here minus 7 and plus 7. When we do subtraction, we are getting here again here 0. See, in the column also we got here total 0 answer. See here, first column we got here 0 answer. Next second column also we got here 0 answer. Next third one also we got here 0. Next I am taking here diagonals. Diagonals means, see here, this part. This one first diagonal, this is second diagonal. Okay, I am taking here first diagonal here. Taking diagonals. Diagonals. Next I am taking here diagonals. Taking diagonals. See, first one, diagonals is 5 minus 2 minus 3. 5 plus minus 2 in the bracket and plus minus 3. When we add 5 plus into minus. Okay, 2 plus into minus 3. When we add negative integers, we will get in here minus 5. When we do subtraction, again we get in here 0. This diagonal is also 0. Next, the last diagonal I am taking here. See, minus 4, minus 2 and 0. See, minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 0. See, minus 4 plus into minus, minus and 2. Okay, last one is 0. When we add these two integers, negative integers, we will get in the minus 6. So, this is not a perfect magic square. Dear friends, I am taking here second one magic square. We will check this is the magic square or not. Dear friends, I am taking here second one magic square. See whether we want to check here this magic square is perfectly magic square or not. I will taking here second magic square. Solution. See here taking rows. First one I am taking here 1 minus 10 0. Correct. ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡು. ನಾನು ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡು. Dear friends, I am taking here second one magic square. See, taking rows. First one I am taking here 1 minus 10 0 minus 10 plus 0. See, 1 plus into minus minus 10. When we doing subtraction, we are getting here minus 9. Next I am taking here second rows. This is the first row. This is the second row. Minus 4 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. When we add in minus 4 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 2. When we add in these all, we are getting here 4 9 4 7 plus 2. How many total is minus 9. Again we got here minus 9 is answer. Next I am taking the last column, last row I am taking here minus 6 and plus 4 plus in the bracket minus 7. When we add in here, we getting here minus 6 plus 4 minus into minus plus into minus minus 7. Okay. When we add in negative sign, negative integers, we are getting here minus 13. Okay, we are getting here minus 13 plus 4. When we do subtraction, we are getting here minus 9. This is also we got here minus 9. Next I am taking here columns. This one column and this is second column. This is third column I am taking here. First column. See here, taking the columns. Taking columns. See, first one I am taking here 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. 1 plus into minus minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. Okay, when we add negative numbers, we will get in here. See, when we add negative integers, we will get in here minus 10. When we do subtraction, we get in again here minus 9 answer. Next, I am taking here second column. Second column, see here minus 10, minus 3, 4 is second column. I am taking this second column. See here minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4. See 4. When we add in, see minus 10 plus into minus minus 3 plus 4. See here minus 10 minus 3. These two are negative integers. You have these two. we will getting here minus 13 plus 4. When we doing subtraction, again we are getting here minus 9. I am getting here last third column 0, minus 2, minus 7. Okay, see here 0 plus in the bracket minus 2 plus in the bracket minus 7. See this column I am taking here 0, minus 2, minus 7. When we add 0 plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus 7. Okay, when we add minus integers, negative integers and negative integers, again we are getting here minus 9. This is also we got here minus 9 answer. Next we have to take here diagonals. This diagonals I am taking this one and this one. See, taking diagonals. Taking diagonals. Taking diagonals. Okay, first I am taking here 1, minus 3, minus 7. See here, first one I am taking here 1 plus in the bracket minus 3 plus in the bracket minus 7. When we add these numbers 1 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus 7. See 1 when we add negative integers we will get here minus 10. When we do subtraction again we getting here minus 9. Okay. See last diagonal 0, minus 3, minus 6. I am taking here last diagonals 0 in the bracket minus 3 plus in the bracket minus 6. See when we add 0 plus into minus 3 plus into minus 6. When we add negative integers we are getting here minus 9 answer. So in the rows, in the columns, in the diagonals we got only minus 9 is answer. So this magic square is perfectly magic square. Dear students, I am taking here question number 9, exercise 1.1. See, use the sign of greater than, smaller than or equal in the box to make the statements true. First example, first one problem I am taking here. See here, minus in the bracket minus 8 plus minus 4. This is the box. Minus 8 minus in the bracket minus 4. We have to find out here this statement is true or false. See here. Next, see here, when we doing it, simplify here, minus 8 plus into minus 4, bracket, minus 8, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, when we add these two negative integers, we are getting here minus 12. And minus 8 when we doing subtraction, because we have one is negative integers, another one is positive integers. When we doing subtraction, we are getting here minus 4. So answer is smaller than, minus 12 is smaller than minus 4. This is the answer. Next problem I am taking here, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 and 15. Dear students, I am taking here second problem, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 and 15 minus 8 plus in the bracket minus 9. See, we will check here, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, next 15 minus 8 plus into minus, what happened here? Minus 9. See here, when we add here negative integers, first I am getting here 7. When we add negative integers, I am getting here minus 22. Okay, next 15. When we add negative integers, minus 17. See, when we do subtraction, Okay, because one integer is positive, another one is negative. See, when we doing subtraction, we are getting here minus 15. And here also, we have one is positive, another one is negative. When we doing subtraction, we are getting here answer is minus 2. See, this is also minus 15 is smaller than minus 2. Dear students, in this main you have remaining 3 questions. You solve these 3 questions in O. Okay, next I am taking here last problem in this exercise. Question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Okay. First part in this question, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? See here, I wrote here number 9. See, that is a monkey jumping 3 steps down. Okay, see here, 3 steps down. Again, that 2 steps coming back. This 1, 2 again coming back. Next again jumping 3 steps downside. See 1, 2, 3. Again that is coming 2 steps back. See again that is jumping 2 steps back. Again that is jumping downside 3 steps. Again that is jumping backside 2 steps. That makes side 3 steps. Again that is jumping backside 2 steps. Downside 3 steps. Again that is jumping backside 2 steps. Downside 3 steps. Again that is jumping backside 2 steps. That is jumping 1 plus 3 step. How much? 4. See, this is the 4th step. 4th step. Next, second jump. Jump number 2nd. Jump number 2nd, that is jumping again 4 minus 2. What is the answer here? Again, this is the step number 2. Again, third jump. Third jump. See here, from ear to ear jumping. So 2 plus 3. 2, 1, 2. Again jumping here 1, 2, 3 step. So 3 plus 2, 5th jump. That is at 5th step. Next, jumping again back side. That is the jump number 4. That is jumping back side. See, from 5th again jumping back side 2. Okay, 5 minus 2. Answer is 3 step. That is at the step number 3. See, again jumping number 5th. From ear to ear jumping again. So 3 plus 3. Monkey is at the 6th step. Monkey at the place of 6th step. Next again that is jumping number 6. See, that is the 6th place. Again jumping 2 back. So 6 minus 2. What is the answer here? 4th step. That is the at 4th step. That is monkey is here. 4th step. Next again jumping number 7. See again here jumping here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. Plus 3 jumping. 1, 2, 3. Again jumping here. So answer is 7th step. 7th step. Next jumping number 8. Jump number 8. See, from 7 again going back, that is the 2. 7 minus 2, this is the 7 minus 2, how much here? 5 step. This is the 5th step. Next again jumping here, jump number 9. Jump number 9, that is the 5th place. See here, monkey is here. Next jumping here, again 3 steps upside. So 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 5 plus 3 is 8th step. Again jumping back 2 steps. Monkey is here, 8 step. Again jumping here back side. That is the 6. Jump number, how much here? Jump number. Jump number is 10. Okay, jump number is 10. 8 minus 2 back. Okay, when we doing subtraction, 8 minus 2, how much? 6th step. Okay, next again that monkey is jumping here. That is the jump number 11. Okay, that monkey jumping here from the 6. Okay, from the 6 again jumping here upside jumping. Okay, 3 steps. 6 plus 3 is how much here? 9th step. Okay, our question is, see, he jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, to reach the water level, there is a total 9th step. Okay, this water level is 9th step. To reach this 9th step, that monkey will jumping total jumps 11. Okay, total jumps is 11. After jumping 11th time, that will reaching the water level. This is the first part of this question. Next, dear student, this is the second part of this question. See, after drinking, that monkey, he wants to go back for this. He jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? See here, solution. He jumps 4 steps upside, again that jumping 2 steps downside. How many jumps need to reach the topmost level? See here, this number line showing the number line showing monkey jumps. See here, this is the number line. This is the number line. This is first step, second step, and third step, fourth step, fifth step, and sixth, seventh, eighth, 9. This is the 9th step. That monkey jumping 4 steps upside, again jumping 2 steps downside. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the upside. Again jumping backside 2 steps. Okay. See, I will show. That is coming backside. No, I will show from this side. See that monkey. See here, this number showing the monkey jumps. See here, that monkey jumping 1, 2, 3, 4 steps upside, again jumping 2 steps backside. Okay, again jumping 4 steps upside, again jumping backside. Again jumping 4th. Okay, how many jumps total here? See, first one jump. Next jumping downside 2 step. Okay, again jumping upside 4 step. Again jumping 2 step downside. Again jumping back 4 step to reach the topmost level. See how many steps total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At fifth jump, that will be reach the topmost level. See, answer is at fifth step. Fifth jump. See, therefore, the monkey at fifth jump that will reach top level. Top level. This is the answer. Next, last part I am taking here. Last part of this problem I am taking. This is the last part of this question. If the number of steps moved down represented by negative integers, the number of steps moved by the positive integers represent is moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. See, A, that is the minus 8. B, 4 minus 2, that is the 8. See, in A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So, what will the sum 8 in second B? This one. This side represented in the B. In B represent, we have to find out here. See, this is the 8 steps moving downside. See here, 8 step solution. Minus 3 plus 2. Next, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 3 plus 2, 6. Minus 3 plus 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 3 plus 2. See, answer is minus 8. This showing that monkey moving downside 8 step. See here, minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 total is equal to minus 8. Okay, this minus 8 represent the monkey moving 8 step downside. In B, see here, in B, see, in B how many step here? 4 minus 2 see, this positive 8, this positive 8. Dear student, this is the last part of this question. If the number of steps moved down represented by negative integers, the number of steps moved by the positive integers represent is moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. See, A, that is the minus 8. B, 4 minus 2, that is the 8. See, in A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So, what will the sum 8 in second B? This one. This side represented in the B. See, solution. First one, A. See, first one, in the A, this minus 8 representing, that is the moving my 8 steps downside. In the B, see, total 8 steps. See, this second one, positive integer, this 8 representing, that is moving upside 8 step. Okay, this exercise 1.1 I completed. Next I will start next properties of integers and operations of integers. Thank you. Dear students, I completed here exercise 1.1. Next we will start properties of integers in next class. Thank you.